and welcome to Tullamore Further Education and Training Centre. My name is Michelle and I'm the Centre Manager. We have compiled this short video to guide and help you as you make an informed decision on your study options for this September. In this video, you will get a flavour of what is involved in this course, while our guidance team will show you where past students have gone following their studies. Here in Tullamore Further Education and Training Centre, we pride ourselves on our student-centred approach to learning. We offer you a positive learning environment together with a dedicated and professional team of teachers, guidance counsellors and learning support staff. Progression is huge here. Last year alone, 87% of our students progressed either onto third level courses, apprenticeships or directly into employment. We find that our students excel when they go on to third level, and they attribute this to the excellent teaching and learning they gained while studying in the centre. Skills such as academic writing, referencing, research and study skills, coupled with a vast array of digital skills. Rather than committing to a 3 or 4 year college course, why not spend this year exploring an array of modules in your preferred subject area, thus ensuring that you are college ready and you are sure about your CEO options when you do progress next September. I wish you all the very best and look forward to welcoming you to Tullamore Further Education and Training Centre in the not too distant future.
Hi, my name is Ola Flynn and I'm here today to talk to you about 2 courses we run here at Tullamore Further Education and Training Centre. We deliver healthcare support and nursing studies here at a QQI Level 5. Most people use these awards to get work in the industry or move on to further education and training. So I'm going to look at just a couple of the modules that we cover here. Some of them are specific to the nursing course and some of them are specific to the healthcare. So the nursing theory and practice is basically all about the background of nursing and then certain skills that are required to be a professional nurse, like taking people's temperature, pulse, respiration, blood pressure. The human growth and development is all about, how we develop, how we go from birth into old age, what influences how we develop psychologically also as people. The activities of living patient care is a particular module that we brought on board last year to our healthcare award. It's similar to nursing theory and practice, but it doesn't look at the nursing side. It looks at the skills that healthcare assistants may require now, working in our ever-changing healthcare environment, like, again, the temperature, the pulse, the respiration, urinalysis and blood pressure. The anatomy and physiology looks at how the body is, all about the heart, the lungs, the liver, and how our body actually functions on a daily basis. Then care of the older person is part of the healthcare award. A lot of our healthcare assistants go off to work in nursing homes or work with agencies providing home care to elderly people. And in a country with a rapidly increasing age rate, we have a huge amount of people, that require care in their own homes. And then infection prevention and control is part of both modules. It's quite important, as you can all imagine, after the last year we've been through with COVID-19. I think everybody in Ireland knows a little bit about infection prevention and control by now. So work experience. The hospital settings are some of the places that some of our students get to go on work experience. Public and private nursing homes, Irish Wheelchair Association, disability services, community care, residential care and healthcare agencies. Here from Tullamore Further Education and Training Centre, we've spent the last year trying to form new connections with lots of these different service providers. And they've come on board and offered places, even in these challenging times, to lots of our healthcare students and our nursing students, invaluable placements which are part of our training programme. There's no better education than actually on-site and in the industry itself. And we're very grateful to these agencies. On the bottom here you can see a picture of our students from this year, where they just completed lots of skills demonstrations with us. So this year, to increase the standard of our award and of the training we deliver here at Tullamore, we got a uniform put together with the LOBTP crest on it. And all our students wear these at all times when they're in class practicing skills or being assessed for skills, and then when they go out on their work experience placement, so that it brings this whole professional manner to the type of training that we provide here in Tullamore. So additional professional certificates. So this is something myself and my colleague Anne O'Connor. Both of us deliver the healthcare and the nursing here in Tullamore, and we collaborate together on all the training that we deliver. And we looked at what we can do here in Tullamore to enhance the quality of the award that our nursing students and that our healthcare students have, so that when they go out looking for employment, that they're more attractive to the employer. So we brought in courses like HIQA standards. Most people heard of HIQA and know of HIQA. Does everybody know what the HIQA standards really means? We look at safeguarding adults from risk of abuse. We look at dementia awareness. As with our increasing population, whether you decide to do nursing or healthcare assistant, you're dealing with a lot more people with dementia and Alzheimer's type diseases in this country. You do your patient moving and handling, which is compulsory, for you to work in healthcare. So it's very important our students all have that carried out just before they go on placement. And actually just a couple of weeks ago, myself and my colleague Anne qualified as 2 patient moving and handling instructors. So we can now bring that into the class as part of the programme with our students. We do cardiac first responder training, which is registered with FEC, which are the governing body for all life saving in this country. So that's a very valuable training for students to have also. We teach them about risk and restrictive practice and how to care for people in a very positive manner. We look at basic first aid, for dealing with things that happen on a daily basis in a healthcare environment. We talk about child protection, which is hugely important in the industry as well. And we also look at end-of-life care and what that involves and what might be part of your job when you're out working, particularly I think in healthcare agencies. So what's unique about our programme? I suppose what's unique about this is that both Anne and I are subject matter experts. My background is I've been nursing for 27 years. I've worked in all different areas of healthcare, down to working with elderly, working with children, working in respite services, day services, hospital. I've worked in them all. Anne herself is a qualified radiographer, so she's also got subject matter expertise, and she's worked in a number of hospitals around the country, both in Ireland and abroad. We have a new dedicated skills demonstration room in the process of being put together here in Tullamore. That's going to be a huge advantage to the quality and the standard of the training that we provide. We have a lot of up-to-date medical equipment. I think I possibly broke the budget last year ordering equipment, but it's very important that our students have the best equipment that's out there so they can learn the skills the best. And then we have successful employment outcomes. We have a picture here of Amy, who's a past student of ours. Amy's in her final year of doing her nursing degree. She's come out top of her year every year for 4 years, and she attributes that down to the fact that she came here and completed her level 5 course first, and that brought her standard right up, so that she was more prepared starting her nursing than any of the other students in her class. We also have a number of students this year who went out on work experience placement, and off foot of that placement have been offered jobs with the employment. So that's just a little bit about our programme here, and we do take great pride in the work that we do. We have a very high standard. I'm a real standards person, Anne is the same, and we push every year to advance the programme a little bit further. And we collaborate at the end of every year, myself and Anne, and see what can we do next year to make our programme that little bit better. And we don't only teach holistic care, we encourage holistic learning for our students. We make sure they're supported at every step that they take, and that if they have any issues that they would come to us, and we'll do whatever we can in our power to make sure that they get successfully through the year. And we always see our students grow so much over the whole year. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Geraldine Brennan and I'm part of the guidance team at the Tullamore Further Education and Training Centre. As a student, you'll be supported by the guidance team throughout the year. We'll support your future career options, whether they're college, training, apprenticeships or employment. We'll assist with CAO and funding applications, as well as offering personal support. Having heard all about the course, you're probably wondering where our students progress to. Our nursing students have been accepted to nursing courses in Trinity College, AIT, Waterford IT and NUIG. Many students have also progressed to study in the UK. Students have moved directly into employment as healthcare assistants. It's important to remember that a QQI award can be used to apply to a broad range of CAO courses. For example, a nursing qualification can facilitate progression to hundreds of CAO courses. Students have progressed to GMIT Business, Carlow College Social Studies, AIT Pharmacy Technician, using their Nursing Studies Award. Healthcare students are predominantly interested in employment. but have been very successful as this is an area of high growth. However, the award can also be used to progress to third level.